The Hampton Bay Arrow Gazebo was sold at Home Depot. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number 61821, HD-61821, 618221, 618221-C, or GGHL00019. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10 and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are L-shaped panels with corner plant shelves, arrow finial ornaments at the corners and top of gazebo. There may be two versions of this gazebo that have 2 arrow spears or 3 arrow spears located at the top half of the corner panels. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Arrow Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.